Preppers beware. A new level of preparedness is arriving for which your mind's eye could never concoct the devices. Without any modern appliances, theoretically without electricity as well, I'm making all sorts of dishes and foods. Non modernia diumenta, one moderne gerete, uten moderne redskaper. I've got the firewood stove, cooking blueberry jam. There's a bread in the oven, and it's at almost 200 degrees now. I'm boiling water on the stove, and I'll be making pancakes in a moment, having just boiled some eggs as well. I didn't know there was a pandemic coming, but I had planned. This is 60 kilos of different whole grains, which are churned in this churner, which can be hand churned, but I'm using electricity as long as we have it. The sourdough enjoys the heat near the oven. Bread finished, pancakes finished, caprese and sunflower seed, go instead of bacon for vegetarian. And the sourdough ready to go into the fridge. It's back to the 1950s.